Hi, everybody. Here is a quick little video about what is coming up in the next couple of days, and I also want to share with you an extra review sheet. This is more for period 8 versus period 7, but it does apply to period 7 as well. Hold on. Of course, I sneezed right as I started the video. Um, Here is the what's happening over the next couple of weeks here as we get towards final exams. I had mentioned a period 8. We're having a quiz on Wednesday. There's no way around it. I apologize, but here is why we kind of have to do it. Tomorrow, Tuesday, you have the NGSS. I will not see period 8. Period 7, we will do some review. You will have the class to work on it. Just that's life. Unfortunately, period 8, it's going to happen this way. Sometimes that happens in life. You just have to deal with it. So we will have class, which is going to be our quiz. So period 8, you are going to have to kind of review on your own. I have this sheet I'll show you in a second. I will be putting the review materials up here. But we can't push to Friday because Friday is Falcon Day. I am not here on the 30th. I don't want to give you the quiz and I'm not here. Next Friday is the prom. Most of you will not be here in class. It will be certainly at the time where you can be dismissed to get ready for prom. So I'm guessing most of you will not be here. And we're not going to push it all the way 3 weeks from now because this is a 15, 20-minute quiz. It's not going to be all that long. But that's why we have to do it. So period 8, I apologize, but as of a couple minutes from now, once you stop watching this video, you will have the sheets and you can work on it, and I will get the answer key up later with some video solutions. By the way, this is Memorial Day filling in here, so we have a 4-day week this week. Last week, we do have 3 normal classes. We still will be learning some new material, but I wanted to just clarify why you have the quiz on Wednesday for period 8, even though I generally will not see you. Then again, on top of things, last Friday was pep rally. I know you were working, which was great, but it was kind of a crazy day as well. So, where'd it go? Here is your review packet. I am posting this in your classroom. If you'd like to come by and pick it up, you certainly can do that. If you see this video today and you can watch it, you can pick it up today, which is Monday the 22nd. If not, you swing by at some point tomorrow and you can get it after the exam or before school. There are these four sheets that are on there. Practice. I will go ahead and put the answer key. I've got the first page all done. I want to get them all done, and I want to go over a couple problems. I will provide some video explanations of how I got the answers. Okay, but a couple things here, things I don't want you to worry about. So you're going to find all these trig values. Again, sine and cosecant go together, cosine and secant, and tangent, cotangent. So once you get this, you flip it over. These will all be from the unit circle. I'm trying to think where I had it open. It's up here somewhere. Hold on, I have a million things open. But the unit circle, I had the blank. Okay, so yeah, this is here. If you pull that unit circle out, you also have this chart filled in. By the way, this is the pink packet that you have. We were working on that class last week. The answers are up online. They've been up all last week. So you had to do like 3, 4, and 4 and 5, something like that, 4 and 6, something like that. So you can check all these answers. But you have this table that you can use. I think I shut it down. I did have a sheet. I should have had it up here, but I just made a sheet for you that will have the unit circle. It will have this blank chart. You can go ahead and fill in while you take the test. You cannot use your own, but if you want to fill those in, you can. Okay, a couple things here. On this page here, some things you cannot worry about or you can cross off. So you can cross off this. We're not going to worry about coterminal angles and converting degrees to radians, and same thing, it's extra credit. This is not something, that's what we did before when we had this, like we're saying, sine was 3/8, cotangent is negative, so it would be like this. Opposite over hypotenuse, you had to find the x and then write the sine, cosine, tangent. You're not going to have to do that on this quiz. It's all going to be just finding these values right here. And similarly, you'll be finding these values as well. But as you're going through and doing these, this right here is the same thing. It's basically asking you where is sine root 3 over 2. That's what I'd like you to think about it. It says express in both radians and degrees. Don't worry about it. Pick one. But this is asking you the sine negative 1. Where is sine root 3 over 2? And again, just like with anything, you have to determine the angle. That is going to be a 60-degree reference angle or pi over 3, however you want to think about it. It is positive. It's not written there. So where is sine positive? Obviously, it's 60 degrees. And it's also in quadrant 2, knowing that all students take calculus. So it would be 120 degrees. If you write it in radians, that's pi over 3, 2 pi over 3. It does not matter to me which one you do. Okay, and some of these will not actually be possible. Like you can't have a cosine of 2. I think that's the only one. I think I might have actually crossed this row out. I'm not sure. But that's what this page is asking you to do. So here, where is sine equal to positive 1/2? Where is cosine equal to positive 1/2? So it will be 2 answers for each of these. Except if they're 1, there may be 1 answer, there may be 2. Okay, so you can do these here. You've been doing this. You're just going to find these and combine them. I will provide answers if you want to look at them. And then that will be that. Okay, but that's what's coming up the next couple of weeks. So you can check later on today for the answers. Thanks. Peace.